how this let us think about this prompt works. This let us think about this prompt is a very powerful prompt. It's a technique used to encourage ChatGPT to generate text that is reflective and contemplative. You know the meaning, what it meant by reflective and contemplative. So I am going to tell you here one very good example. How ChatGPT does this. I am giving a prompt here. I want to make a speech about the future of my country. I say, comma, India. Let us think about this. I have a dream. I gave this prompt. Now please read this speech. It has started with ladies and gentlemen, ending with thank you and Jai Hind. And today it is actually made with I have a dream type of Martin Luther King's speech, really made to Indian situation. And what did I do? I just gave one small prompt. I want to make a speech about the future of my country, India. Let us think about this. I have a dream. So this is the power of this now you can extrapolate or interpolate this. You can actually use many things, and as I have shown you yesterday in the prompt, this prompt 1, this is what I told you now, and this is prompt 2. Everything will be there with you in the learning management system. That is, I am inspired to make a breakthrough invention. Let us think about this, the internet. It will actually combine your invention interest with the internet, with the invention of internet. Now let me show you this prompt 3 example. Prompt 3 is, I want to write a research report on a historical happening in Asia. Let us think about this, the fall of the Berlin Wall. Similarly, any of your research subject you give like this, and let us think about this and give your research topic. ChatGPT is going to develop. ChatGPT is going to develop anything and everything for you. So anyone doing research, please listen to this particular prompt. Let us think about this prompt. Okay.